Hi, I'm Corey from Marystown, Newfoundland. I'm reviewing the Thinkware Pro Dash Camera, which I've put to the test in a 2018 Jeep Cherokee. Installation was easy. All power cables were routed around the body panels. Back to the center console. Camera is recording all the time, even when the vehicle is not in motion, and will sense and record vehicle impacts in a parking lot. Thinkware smartphone app was easy to install and use to set up the dash cam. Wi-Fi and hotspot setup was easy. The Q800 Pro has excellent video and picture quality. Camera is out of the driver's line of sight. Only issue I experienced is sometimes you have to press the Wi-Fi button on the dash cam to get your smartphone to reconnect. I would recommend the Thinkware Pro Dash Cam to family and friends. I would recommend the Thinkware Pro Dash Cam to family and friends.